Now, going into 8.2. 8.2, ooh, wrong color, is calculating slope. Okay, the first thing I'm going to bring up is the slope formula. And I'm going to write this in a bold blue color because it is important. Okay, so slope, for some reason we label it as M. I really don't know why it's labeled M, but it is. I'm sure it has something to do with its Latin term, but whatever. So we need 2 points, x1, y1, and x2, y2. Okay, so M is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Be careful when you do slope that the y's are on top. Y's are always on top. Okay, otherwise your slope is going to be upside down and the graphs will look totally different. Because I'm just going to show an example of this. A slope of 2/5 looks something like this. If it starts at 0, 0, it'll go up to the right of 5. It looks something like that. But a slope of 5/2 is going to show a line that is dramatically different. Notice how much steeper this one is, because the change in my y's is greater, so I'm going up more. And I know that's not the straightest line, but this is just a good example of it, okay? When you are calculating slope, no matter what, you can pick any 2 points given. Pick any 2 points given. Okay, first, label the points. X1, Y1, and X2, Y2. That is what you have to do first, no matter what. Second, write the slope formula. It can only help you to write it, okay? Okay. Then you just solve for M. So I'll show 3 examples of this. The first, I'm just going to give 2 points. 1, 2, and 2, 4. First, I'm going to label my points. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. It is important when you label your points that you're numbering them. So this is my first point, so I used X1 and Y1. This is my second point, so I used 2's. Okay? Do not mix up and do X1, Y2, X2, Y1, because then that's not going to give you the right slope. Okay? So again, I'm going to write my formula over X2 minus X1. So then I just plug it in. 4 minus 2 over 2 minus 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. My slope is 2. Okay? Now, I know I'm going a little bit fast, and I'm sorry about that, actually. Now I'm going to do it from a chart. So if I have 1, 3, 2, 5, 4, 9, and 6, 10. No. 6 is 11. No. I'm sorry, 6 is 13. Okay? I'm going to pick any 2 of these points. So I'm personally going to use 1, 3, and 2, 5. So 1, 3, and 2, 5. I'm rewriting them so that underneath I can label them. X1, Y1, X2, Y2, M equals Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. Oh my goodness, that is the sloppiest X I think I've ever written. X2 minus X1. I am so sorry. Okay, so that is going to be 5 minus 3 over 2 minus 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 1 . Yes, okay. 2 minus 1 is 1. The slope for this one is also 2. Okay? So that's how we do it from a chart and how we do it from 2 points. So the last one I'm going to give you is going to be from a graph. Okay. I'm just giving you this part of the graph because my 2 points, I'm going to use 0, 0. Say 2, 3. And I'm sorry. And let's do, actually, I'm just going to give you those 2 points. So now, using these 2 points, I have 0, 0, and 2, 3. So again, I'm going to label. I'm going to write my equation. And then I'm going to plug it in. 3 minus 0 over 2 minus 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. 2 minus 0 is 2. So 3/2 is my slope. Okay, so hopefully that helps you with slope. No matter what, you're picking 2 points. You're labeling those 2 points. So any 2 points, label, formula, which is this one, m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and then solve for m. Okay? Hopefully that helps us with slope and that helps us with graphing linear equations. Again, if you have any questions about these 2 sections, make sure to leave a comment or an email. Sorry if this is a sloppy video, since I had to write the graphs and the charts myself and it wasn't a pre-done notes. It took a little bit more brain power than our notes normally would. Please let me know if you have any questions or if anything was unclear in this video.